Welcome everyone, we are Mayra Correa and Javier Charles, and today we're going to present to you an interstellar and a little goofy presentation. We hope you like it, so let's begin to the infinite and beyond.
Creation of the universe. As the time passes in human life existence, we constantly question the creation of the universe. As well, we have some different theories like the Big Bang Theory, not a TV show, the Bible, where Jesus appears, and more other theories, but we will focus on the Big Bang. Sometime long, long ago in space, there wasn't time nor space, so there was only some or none. None want to become some, so none say, hey, let's explode, like make a bang, big. And that's how the Big Bang started.
Creation of the galaxies. As the universe started to expand, it started to cool down and create atoms, and the atoms created molecules, and the molecules formed elements, which started getting together very close, and started creating matter. Gases that originated the first galaxies of every type: irregular, elliptical, Samsung, spiral, and bar spiral. Galaxy center is always luminous, and they have some trace of explosions.
Birth of the Sun. The Sun was formed from a giant gas cloud 4.5 million years ago. Just as other stars condensed from molecular clouds, the Sun emerged gravitationally from a sea of hydrogen, helium, and traces of other elements. From its debris, planets were formed. Accretion and collision dictate their sizes and positions, like a game of comic billboards.
Location of the Sun. The Sun is located in the inner rim of the Orion Arm, which is thought to be an offshoot of the Sagittarius Arm. The Sun is located about 26,000 years away from the center of the galaxy.
Formation of the planets, the disk of dust. Based on a current understanding of the cosmos, we conclude that planets are formed from the same material of dust and gas that forms stars, called nebulae. These dust-filled disks began to form the largest pieces of gravity pulls them together, and they become the birthplace of the planets, which forming what are known as protoplanets.
Formation of the planets. Rock and gas planets. The larger these protoplanets become, the more gravity they cause around them, attracting more material to increase in size. Since rocky materials is most abundant in the interior of the disk of dust around the star, it is more common to see rocky planets in the interior part of the star system, while gas accumulates at the edges of the disk, forming the gaseous planets, just as it happens in our solar system. After millions of years, many of these collisions will give rise to a virtually debris-free disk of dust, creating larger and fewer planets than at first.
Formation of the Earth. The early Earth was formed by the collision and fusion of smaller rock fragments, the so-called planetesimals. Therefore, the elements of the early Earth had to be distributed in a relatively homogeneous way. But this homogeneity had to change. The Earth became hot because of radioactive disintegrations, because of the increasing pressures in its interior, and also because of the bombardment of particles coming from the universe.
This finally led to the fusion of iron, which as a heavy liquid element sank into the center of the primordial Earth and formed the Earth's core. After the cooling of the outer Earth's crust, the first continents appeared.
Formation of the Moon. The Moon formed almost 4.5 million years ago as a result of a catastrophic collision between the embryonic Earth and another protoplanet the size of Mars.
Finally, to conclude, we have a phrase, a quote of Stephen Hawking, which says, "The universe doesn't allow perfection."
Our travel through the cosmos has reached its end. This is all from our part. We hope that you are more informed about the history of the universe, which is, like you and I, doesn't allow the perfection. Keep going and have a great day.